guys. I'm out here just trying to make a ditch effort at getting a turkey before the season ends. Haven't had any luck. I've heard a couple off in the distance. Haven't been able to call them in. But the season ends in 2 days, so even though I have to go to work on mids tonight, I'm still gonna give it a shot for as long as I can and then take a nap before I go to work. So also I'm testing out this old Stanley thermos. This is I think this was the last year they were made in the US. And so I just put boiling hot water in it, and I'm going to see if I can use that to brew my coffee or make my tea or even oatmeal if I decide to get hungry at some point. So anyway, there's a little game trail up there. So let me get up there, find a good spot, and we'll make our ditch effort. So I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, well, I'm sitting out here on this little turkey hunt again in my bushcraft chair / DIY hunting blind. I'm gonna go ahead and try out that thermos because I could definitely stand to drink something pretty hot right now. This is a Stanley thermos, and what I have is honey ginger drink. So straighten that up for you a little bit. There we go. Let's see what we've got. So I filled this bottle up with boiling water at 5 o'clock this morning. It's now 9:35. So let's see what we can get out of it. This little thing here. Alright, now save all that trash. The interesting thing about this bottle is that you don't take the top completely out. You just unscrew it a little bit, and then the water is supposed to pour out. Probably has quite a bit of a vacuum left on it right now. Alright, let's see if we can get it now. Oh, there we go. Look at that wholesome goodness. Then you just close it up. Grab my little stick, you know. Now the real test. Let's see if it's hot. Cheers. Yep, it's hot. It's as hot as your usual, say, a cup of coffee from a coffee maker. I heard a yelp from across that way, and I tried calling back to it a couple times. I did get one reply from it, but not a whole lot. Oh, that's hot. That's hot and good. If you're into ginger, which I am obviously, these ginger honey drinks, as far as warming you up, uh, I have to be truthful. Coffee, at least, will give you a little bit of caffeine, but as far as actually warming your body up, these ginger drinks will really do that for you. Sorry, I'm kind of on the verge of shivering, so uh, it's a little bit hard to talk right now. I really want that bird, but if we don't get it, we don't get it. You know, a day in the woods, unless you didn't plan to be there, is never a bad day. I kind of thought my bear guy would be hibernating, but down the hill, I saw some tracks. So that's definitely something I'll keep in concern for sure. I did bring my shotgun as usual, or for turkey hunting in the fall season where I am, that's what you have to use. Uh, but I had to bring a little sidearm too, just because of other types of pests. Because there are mountain lions and obviously bear in this area. I heard something about is it a cougar? Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff like that. Well, there's definitely cougars in this area. Just check any bar. But there's something else too, maybe a jaguar or something like that. I know there's actually moose here too, which is kind of weird. I didn't think they would make it this far south, but evidently they do. Oh man. Once again, let me show it to you again. That right there. That is good stuff, especially when you're cold. Well, and again we wait. Catch you in a minute.